Hello, my name is Ryan Ryder, and this is my audience. The topic of my informative speech is the different habitats of animals. Did you know that 71% of the Earth is made up of water and only 29% is made up of land? It's kind of funny because it's the complete opposite with animals. 80% of the Earth's species live on land and only 20% live in the ocean. Environments that animals live in are called their habitat. This is where they live and thrive. Water, air, food, and shelter are all things animals need to survive. Animals have to be able to adapt to all their factors changing in their environments. My first main point is land habitat. The land habitat has many different types of ecosystems. We have the desert, the forest, the Arctic, and the mountain habitat. The warm climate is one land habitat. We have the desert and the savanna. The desert is an ecosystem that has very high temperatures and low amounts of rain. According to the book, The Planet Earth, it says that 20% of the Earth is made up of deserts. And when it rains, which very rarely it does, the rain will evaporate before it ever hits the ground. In the savanna, temperatures range around 70 degrees and is a very nice ecosystem to live in. Depending on the rainfall, the vegetational growth will be good. An example of this habitat would be the savanna. These are some animals that live in the desert. Camels, snakes, scorpions, and lizards. And then animals that would live in the savanna would be your lions, elephants, zebras, and tigers. In your cold climate, this is one of the harshest climates for animals to live in. The air is very dry, and some of the animals' fur changes white to help them camouflage in the snow. Some of the animals that live in this habitat are caribou, penguins, and polar bears. They have very thick fur to help them keep warm in these harsh weather. My second main point is the marine habitat. The marine habitat is oceans and seas, and like I said earlier, it takes up 70% of the Earth. There is warm tropical water in the marine habitat. These are located near the equator where the sun is constantly overhead, and the water temperatures stay around 70 degrees. And obviously, the animals breathe underwater. Dolphins, many different kinds of fish, stingrays, and sea turtles are all animals that live in this habitat. The polar water is another marine habitat. These are near the Earth's poles, north and south. The north are called Arctic and the south are called Antarctic. It's very cold, but having salt and water helps it take slower temperatures for the water to actually freeze. It's very uninhabitable for humans to live there, but marine life thrives there. And there are fewer species that live in the polar water than there are in tropical water. An example of animals that live in this habitat are beluga whales, orcas, and cod. Like I said earlier, there are many different types of habitats for animals to live in. Depending on where you live, you can see the different types of animals and living in the surrounding habitats where you live. My resources for this speech are the planet Earth, the animal world, and the life in the shallow ocean. Thank you.